Hi friends, till now I have posted more than 100 videos in my channel and most of the videos are regarding tuberculosis, and by this time you must have gained lots of information regarding tuberculosis. Today I will give you small but very important information regarding tuberculosis, that is how you will understand that your patient who is having tuberculosis on treatment is not improving. You might not be a doctor or a health staff, then also being just a general person, then also you can understand that this is a very small and easy thing. I'll explain you in a simple way how you will understand that. If a patient is put on antitubercular treatment, that time patient must be having some symptoms, like patient can have fever, cough, expectoration, sputum coming out from the lungs. Then patient can have blood tinged sputum. Then patient can have loss of appetite, loss of weight, evening rise of temperature, chest pain, breathing difficulty. These things usually patient have when they have tuberculosis. After the patient is put on treatment, then we assume that the patient will improve with the treatment. So these clinical symptoms will gradually subside. Now you as a family member or as a caretaker of a tuberculosis patient, you yourself can understand that okay, this patient is not having fever now, so he is improving. Patient is having good appetite. Then yes, another most important thing, that is weight of the patient. Weight gain is a good indicator that patient is improving with treatment. Other symptoms I have already told you. These symptoms will subside gradually with the treatment, but of course you don't expect it like within 5 or 6 days or 10 days patient will completely improve. The symptoms will gradually subside, so it may take 15 days or 20 days or maybe sometime 1 month and 1.5 months also. Different patients have different scenario, different profile, they have different response to drug. So patients immunity different, so their response also different. Now come to chest X-ray. Usually chest X-ray, you cannot read chest X-ray, it is done by doctors. So we do chest X-ray PAU and see whether the earlier chest X-ray and the present chest X-ray, what is the difference, whether the patient is improved. Then sputum examination, that you also can understand. The sputum smear examination before putting the patient on treatment, we usually do sputum. Then if it is positive, we put the patient on treatment. Now during follow-up intervals, usually 2 months interval, then we do the sputum examination. We see whether the patient is improving or not. If the patient is improving, then the positive sputum will turn into negative sputum. So that is another thing. Then next, weight I have already told. Weight gain we have to see whether the patient is taking food. Earlier his appetite was not good, now he is taking food and his weight is also increasing. So that is important. And then CT scan thorax. Usually CT scan is not done routinely, but nowadays as patients are very conscious and in many cases sputum is negative and we are suspecting pulmonary tuberculosis in chest X-ray, that we do CT scan of thorax to do the diagnosis. And those facilities where CT scan is available, we can do CT scan, no issue. And then even CT scan also we repeat. The beginning we do CT scan, we see the lesion, and after the treatment is started, in intervals we can do CT scan of thorax and see whether the patient is improving or not. So these are a few things, very small thing but very important, and you can remember when you can judge whether the patient is improving or not. Thank you for watching this video and stay healthy. Bye bye for now.